Hi, it's me, Kat from Creative Crafts, and I just want to say thank you for my subscribers. I now have 60. Thank you so much. I'm excited. I'm also speechless, so if I stutter a little, it's because I'm just so excited. It was, I don't know, I think I started in December, my videos. So I think having 60 subscribers now at this point in time, I think it was pretty fast. So many, I don't know. I've never done a YouTube channel before. I hope you enjoy it. And I have so many other videos I already had made. If you didn't check them out already, I had things about how to recycle newspaper into clay, also toilet paper into clay, recycling glass bottles, tin cans, paper, any kind of things that you could recycle. I try to do it. I try not to throw things away. If it comes to a point where I have to because I have so much of it. The next upcoming videos are making a rug out of jeans. I already made a rug out of t-shirts, which the video isn't all on my, I made a video on that. It's also on my channel. And making things for Halloween and for Christmas. That's going to be coming up, and starting next month I'm going to start working with the Halloween decoration, because some of them is working with the paper clay, and the paper clay takes time to dry. And you'll see when I make that video, you'll see actually what preparations you need to do actually to make this pumpkin that I made, and it's rock solid hard. Also, I'm going to be making a lot of other little videos on tips and tricks. I try to make these videos less than 20 minutes. Some may be a little bit more. And then I have some videos that are a little bit longer, because it's not a tip and trick video, because it's not so fast. It may be at least 30 minutes or maybe more. So I do have some videos below that are not tips and tricks. Tip and tricks are usually less than 20 minutes. I try to make them shorter, but it's difficult when you are trying to explain the details that you need to do to the people that need to do it. So I hope you have patience for me. Still getting to know and learn how to make all these new kind of videos. I think I'm getting better. I don't know. Make sure you comment, thumbs up, and share my videos, please. I would love to hear from you. Ideas, what you think I should do. Do you have a recycle question? Could you recycle this? I will find out if you could. House decoration, home decoration, DIYs. I have so many videos already below. I have over 55 videos on how to, do things on your own, to make your own decoration. My daughter, she talked to me last night about a mirror, like a set. It looked like there were several mirrors glued together, but it was actually made like that. And that was, I think it was, what'd she say? And I forgot where she said she saw it, but it was actually almost $700 for that. And I'm like, told my daughter, I said, Bianca, you need to buy several pictured framed mirrors and just glue them all together like I did with my last video. After you glue it all, you have to make sure you put support in the back. Buy some long skinny boards like I did in my video. I had one. I could have put more, but as long as if it's a plastic and it's not too heavy, the frames, then you could use popsicle sticks and glue them in all the sections where the picture frames are all together, and that makes it a little bit more stable. I do suggest to put, I told her what she should do, and watch my video, and she goes, that was a great idea, when she saw what I did. And I said, yeah. I said, look, you spend for what to make this thing to look like what you wanted for $700. You're spending what, maybe $15 for all the picture frames with the mirrors in it? Could be around that, not $700, and that's what it is. It's like, I can't find the picture. Did I put it here? There was something I made, and I found it in a catalog here for clothing for women, and women were standing, and there was something behind the wall, something hanging, and I said, wow, I would love to buy that. And you could buy it there, but it cost almost over $150 for it. And I said, you know what? I make it myself. And I just grabbed materials, put my mind together, and I said, okay, let's do this. And it came out great. All the videos made, like I said, is all from ideas that I see around in catalogs or online, and also from Pinterest. I see a lot from Pinterest, get good ideas. I try not to follow the people exact what they do, because I don't want to have my videos like that. I want to try to make mine unique. I don't know if that's, I mean, there's a lot of things right now with a lot of things to do with farmhouse. The only thing that's farmhouse at my home is my 2 balconies that I have. And they have all the flowers and everything on it. They're more like a farmhouse. So, I'm more like a contemporary. Yeah, maybe country a little bit. My kitchen's a little country. Who knew? But I like to work with more ideas about, I try to mix and match. I try to make the people who like glamour happy, and I try to make the people who are farmhouse happy. So there's a lot of ideas out there. There's so many demands also. There's a few things I looked up and I couldn't find anything, like with the napkin holders from toilet paper rolls. I found some, but they were more kiddie. They weren't fancy. That's what I'm talking about. And the ones I made are fancy. They're really nice. And that's what I was talking about. There probably was some videos on napkin holders, and it's probably so old, it's so back far, it doesn't find it. I just find a lot of things to do with the children, you know, working with children with the toilet paper rolls and making flowers and stuff. And that's another thing I worked with. I made an art structure on a canvas with the toilet paper rolls. The video is also on my channel. So there's just like so many great things you can do with recycled products, and I love recycling. So I always tell everyone, please recycle, recycle, recycle. Saves the earth from the environment, which we really need to do. A lot of people don't believe that, but I do. Now also for Halloween, I'm making my pumpkin, and I'm going to try to make a little house. Haunted house, make that also out of paper mache clay. That's coming up. And then for Christmas, I want to make a huge I want to make a huge snowman that stands in front of my doorway, that stands probably almost the height as me, maybe a little bit smaller. That's what I want to do too, also from paper mache clay. So it really has to mix and match. It takes a while. So I'm preparing you all. Save your newspaper, because you need to do paper mache on these items also. So not just the paper mache clay, you need also the paper so you can cut it up and do the paper mache also. There's 2 different things you use on these items that I make. There's so many great ideas. There's so many things. I have a list of things coming up soon. I don't want to spoil it all with you guys, because I just like to I like to surprise people. So thank you so much for subscribing. It means so much to me. You're in my little family now. And if there's anything, like I said, questions, put them down below. Ideas, put them below. Questions, comments, like, subscribe, and share. Those are the things I suggest that you do, or ask you if you could please do that for me. I would love that. I would love to see my family grow. And see you in the next video.